Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sheet Planner Studio. It is the studio to help you out in every custom-made tools, planners, the budget planners, calendars, trackers. Just visit my shop and you will see what all helpful things are there, what all helpful tools are there to manage all the things in life. So let's start this. This is a budget planner with dashboards and the savings planner. First of all, this is the instruction guide. All right. Then you will see all the instructions here from introduction, the setup sheet, income sheet, instruction, everything is there. Then comes the setup sheet, setup in setup sheet. You need to enter all these details. You don't have to enter any data in these cells which are not white, like which are blue or green or any other color. Yes, you can enter or change the data. Like you can enter the income categories, like expense categories. You can write your own accounts. It supports up to 25 accounts and multiple income and expense categories. Then profit goes on every quarter, on every month. Then the start year is this. Fiscal start is from January or day, whatever you want to select. Then the quarters are automatically designated. Then the savings funds are you can change or write any other saving funds. Then come the income transaction tracker. It is the tracker, income transaction tracker. In this tracker, then comes the income transaction tracker. There are columns like date, category, account, income, amount, account, and your income, the income tax percentage. First of all, you need to enter the default tax percentage. Like I want to write at 5% as per own country, as per own choice. That will automatically calculated. The tax amount will automatically calculated on each income. Uh, First of all, so let's delete the things. First of all, you need to select the date like today. Category is same revenue, whatever rental income. You got it in your account number 510 or whatever your account name is. Then you need to enter the income like $200, or you can say you have got $1,500 your weekly salary. The custom tax is 7% or the default tax which is already applied. If you want to enter any, so enter it. If you don't want to, you don't need to enter it here. This tax will automatically calculated on the base of this default tax percentage. Then comes the net income. Net income will be calculated. So total income will also sum up here. Total taxes will sum up here. Total net income will sum up here. So this is the simple. This is very simple. And then you need to enter like first of all, I want to enter some amount here. And for example, in April I got service fees account three. The commission earned was income 4,500. Automatically the tax amount will be calculated. The net income will be calculated. But the percentage of the tax was at 40%. No, not 40%. Like you can say 15%. So automatically that will also be calculated. Then come the expense transaction tracker. In this transaction tracker, you need to enter all the expenses. Like I have entered few. Total expenses will be calculated. Total taxes same like the income transaction tracker. This expense transaction tracker is same. Custom tax percentage will be calculated. The net expenses will be calculated. You just need to enter make all the transactions here. Then is the monthly dashboard. These dashboards are there to just see the data, just view the data, monthly data. Like I want to select some other month, no entry is made, like it's January, or you can say some March, April, no entry is made here, so nothing will appear here. In January we made some entries, so that's all is calculated here. Mm, The total, this is the actually the financial summary, total income graph and total expenses graph, total net income, total profit. Here in the top line, you will see all the top metrics here. Total income, total expenses, net expenses, profit margin, and profit goal was like 5,000, but profit margin is 66%, and you just made 1249 profit. So daily summary is there. These will all automatically calculate. You just have to see. You just have to observe. You have to watch it that you are meeting, you are fulfilling, you are achieving your goals or not. Annual dashboard. As the name says, it is the annual dashboard. Mm, Whatever fiscal year you will select, the data will appear here. Like 2025, no data was there. Only profit cohort was there. 2026, this data is there. Few months are appearing here, few months are not. Whichever data is entered, that will appear here. that will get appear. You see the expense distribution, the income distribution, annual growth, annual profit, financial summary, total income, total expenses, profit summary, tax summary, growth summary, everything is there. Quarterly summary, total income, tax income, net income, and category wise, net income category wise, in all months, average, everything is calculated. Tax expenses category wise, or this, these are the income categories. If you want to differentiate, you want to see category wise, what are the expenses, what are the total percentages, total tax, net, everything. Like I select the sales revenue, there is nothing. Like I select the, where is it? Product sales. So month overview is there. You can select the month, you can select the year. Then the fiscal annual overview is there. You can select the years. And the quarterly overview is there. Whichever year you will select, those quarter will appear. Quarter one, two, three, four. Total and tax, net, everything is calculated already. In every month, January, February, March, the day, month wise, it is actually the month overview. So daily overview is also there. Then comes the expenses category. Expenses category, whichever category you will select, like rent, lease expenses, that data will appear. Like salary and wages, that data will appear. From May, if May, not January. In January, you have made few transactions, so data is there. In January, in quarter one. Then is the comparison dashboard. In comparison dashboard, you can compare the income and the expenses. That how much was the income and how you spent it. Like rental income was this, net income or total tax, whatever. Then the expenses were this, utility bill, lease expenses, legal fees, whichever you want to select, total, net, whatever. It's up to you for the comparison purpose. In month of February, in January 2026, 2026, annual comparison, quarterly comparison, annual comparison, month comparison, complete data is there. Then is the account balance dashboard. Here you will see your accounts and their income and expenses and balance total, how much is their initial balance, whatever you want to enter, like it was 4,500. So income was this and expenses were this. Then is the, for example, 1,500, 191 was income, 42 was expenses were 42. So balance is 1,649. Then comes the saving funds tracker, tracker, the main saving funds which you just want to save anything. Like fund name already you have mentioned in the setup tab. Here saving funds. So here those will all appear here. Vacation, emergency fund, car loan. You need to enter all the funds here. Then the transaction date, then the amount, then monthly target is this much. Whatever amount you will enter here, uh, simply left to save, and this progress percentage, the progress chart will automatically calculate it. Like now, today I have made 700. Amount saved 700, 1,500. So 5,000 monthly target was there, 3,500 saved, progress at 30%, so progress started this. Overall total saved 45%. This will automatically calculated. Total goal amount will automatically calculated. This is summary actually. In this top one, saving fund tracker, summary. And then is overview. Here you will enter the funds, the transaction date, the amount, you will change the amount, automatically progress chart will be calculated. So that's all.
Ladies and gentlemen,